Hello and welcome back to lecture series of arrays in PHP. This video covers storing data in arrays. Storing a value in an array will create the array if it did not already exist. Let's see here example how to initialize an array in the program. First example for indexed array. First array is $a, index 0 equals to 10, $a index 1 equals to 20, and $a 2 equals to 30. This is indexed array. Let's see example for associative array. $a in single quotes 1 equals to 1. Second is 2 equals to value initialized 2, 3 equals to 3. This is associative array. That is, in associative array, the index or key is string or a letter, as in this case 1, ONE 1, 2 and 3. In indexed array, the index or key is integer, that is 0, 1 and 2 in this example. This is simple assignment to initialize an array in the program for index, and this is for associative. This is first method to initialize an array. Let's see another method. This is simple and easier than the first method. In this method to initialize an array, use array round brackets construct which builds an array from the arguments. Let's see example how to initialize an array using array construct. $a variable equals to array keyword into round brackets values 1, 2, 3 and end it with semicolon. This example will create an indexed array and index value will start from 0. Let's see second example. $array equals to array keyword. In this example, to the left is index or key and right side is the value. First is 1 arrow 1, 2 arrow 2, 3 arrow 3. This is associative array. Next example, $a equals to array round brackets semicolon. In round brackets there is no value, it is empty. This construct array will create an empty array.